Hey guys, it's Housewife in Heels. So today we're getting into another unboxing. I don't even know how many I have done as of late. It's just one shoe after another shoe after another shoe after another shoe, and then when I think the shoes are done, more shoes come in. So it's been lots and lots of shoes lately, which is absolutely 100% fine by me. It is not just fine, it is more than welcome and super appreciated. I'm sure you guys feel the same way because we all like to kind of see new stuff around here, or at least new to us stuff. So I want to get into my spiel about how thankful I am for you guys. I am always just mind blown at your guys' support, generosity, things of that nature. I even have some of you wanting to get my cats their litter, which I am definitely on board about because I go through quite a bit of litter. In case it wasn't obvious, I'm sorry, I can't help but laugh. I find him laying there like that just so funny. But let's go ahead and get into what we're here for, which is the shoes. So these were from one of my subscribers, and they're currently sitting in my prop box just to be able to unbox them. They didn't come with a box, which is absolutely fine by me. I will live without it if I get sent shoes without a box. And we're gonna tear right into it. So lately I've been getting a lot of platforms, and today's video is not different by any means. These are a 160mm shoe, and they're in my favorite material at Louboutin, which is their kid leather. And these are actually a fairly recent release from Louboutin. I want to say maybe 2 years old, and they're named after Dolly Parton, which who's really gonna be mad at that? I'm not. I'm a Dolly fan. I happen to like her, and she famously says that her standard heel is a 6-inch heel. So I could definitely see Dolly wearing this kind of shoe. Now this is a little bit of a new one for me since they have a rounded toe box. So this is my first Louboutin pump where the toe box it's not pointy, it's not almond, it's round. So this is a very welcome addition to the collection. Now these were purchased resale, so they're not like in perfect condition, but they're otherwise new. I mean, maybe like a scuff here or there, which is fine. And if you know anything about the Louboutin kid leather, it's going to scuff. It's a little bit delicate, but that delicate nature of the leather is what makes it just so easy to wear. I will forever and always gravitate towards the Louboutin kid leather. I don't really have to break in those kind of shoes, or if you do, then it's going to be a heck of a lot easier than a patent, I can tell you that much. But let's go ahead and get into these shoes. So we have our inner quarter right here and our very obvious platform. This is not hidden. Dolly Parton doesn't need a hidden platform. She will loudly and proudly wear her platforms. We have our little rounded toe box, just so welcome around here. I've been needing a Louboutin with a round toe. We have our outer quarter, and we have our skinny little 160 heel, which I can appreciate a skinny heel. I'm a more so delicate, dainty shoe kind of girl by nature. The platforms have definitely been very new in regards to what I wear and what's been featured on my channel. I know you guys are fans of platforms, and steadily I'm becoming more and more acquainted, more familiar, more comfortable, all the things. Now I will say it is a little bit weird being 5'10" in these when I'm only 5'3". I'm not exactly super tall, statuesque. These I still kind of am adjusting to the height that these will give you. If you're someone who's super teensy and petite and you want feel super tall and your head in the clouds, get a Louboutin 160, get these, you'll be in the clouds. You will be sky high. But let's go ahead and get this guy's friend out. It looks so lonely. The shoes shouldn't be lonely. They should always have a buddy. But these were a gift. They were purchased second-hand or on the resale market, even though these shoes were never actually worn. They were probably tried on, but if they were worn, then they were worn on absolutely nothing but carpet and didn't leave that carpet. So these, for the most part, are basically new without the box, with a few very minor imperfections, which is a-okay by me. I don't know the cost of them. I didn't ask. I just said thank you so much, and that was that. But if you are watching this inquiring about sizing, what's interesting is that I wasn't for sure, 100% sure, if I was gonna need to go down or stay where I typically am in a Louboutin pump. My true to size is a 36, but in Louboutin pumps I go down to a 35.5. These, I said try a 35.5, not knowing for sure if they were going to fit, since this toe box is extra roomy in comparison to what I have for the most part. But they arrived, I tried them on, and they fit perfectly. They fit beautifully. So whatever your size happens to be in a Louboutin pump is probably going to work for you in these if you are after the Dolly Altas. I believe that's what these are called. There's the Me Dolly, the Dolly Alta, and then I think just the Dolly, which is the pump without the really big high platform. But now, with all that being said, I think that will about do it for this unboxing. But if you would like to further support me, likes, comments, subscribes, things like that is always appreciated along with this view. I believe that memberships are available. I say this because I'm filming this before it's been released yet, and I just want to be 1000% certain that it's there before I say it's there. If you would like to further support me, or it's just not there yet, then have no fear. I have multiple methods of support. You can follow me on TikTok. I am trying to hit 10K followers for obvious reasons. If you would like to purchase something from me, I have Poshmark down below. If you would like extra content, then go to Patreon. It starts at $3 a month. But other than that, let's go ahead and try these puppies on. Bye.